Model 2014 Renault Trafic VIVARO Sl27 Dci body, white, panel van mileage 174840 MOT, the 23rd of May 2024 engine 1996 CCM 9R115 E5 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Replacing condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: electric windows EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £4,525. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.